Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. I'm going to show you what I made during this week. This is what I made. I don't know. The lips are good or bad, I don't know, but I'm going to leave it like this. Is this one I draw the lips first, then it's a loop of chains. I stitched it using embroidery flows as the outline. Then the rest, like this one and this one are hand embroidered. I'm not a very great embroidery person, so this is like almost right, the back stitches, I guess that's the name. Then this can come under long and short or a satin stitch. I don't know the names, but I just did this ones. Then this is a crocheted one, just a bud I crocheted, and this is a little variation of that one. Then I stitched those ones to the fabric with my embroidery floss and needle. Then this is a crochet flower. So today I'm going to try a variation of this flower. So let us start doing this. This is a little bit of a cotton yarn. So I'm going to try making a magic circle. Magic circle is like this and goes like that. Then you hold just like this. Then one chain. I'm going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 single crochet in the ring. Then tighten the circle. Okay, now let us try how many stitches we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. And I'm going to cut this yarn. Just lock the stitch. Okay. That we are done with. We can go. By the way, this is a size 5 hook. This was a little bit of a cotton yarn left over from my previous some kind of project. And this is loops and threads. This I bought from Michaels. If you can find this color, there is some available in Amazon. I will find that and add a link to that. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here it is 10. So I'm going to unravel this one. No, yes, I'm supposed to have 10, but yeah, this is slip stitch included. Let's try just making that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my hook in the stitch, just get the yarn, pull it out, make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then go to the next one, and I'm going to make a double crochet. For double crochet yarn over, insert the hook, grab your yarn, pull it up, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops, then grab your yarns, pull through the last 2 loops. So we make 2 double crochet, 3 and 4. Now we make chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and go to the next stitch. Do a slip stitch. Say this is one petal. Now I'm going to repeat that one like making chain 3, 2, 3, then go to the next stitch, 4 double crochets, then chain 3, then go to next stitch to do a slip stitch. Then we are going to make chain 3, then we are making another petal in the next one, that is 4 double crochet, 3, 4, then chain 3, and here slip stitch, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, my 4th petal, 1, 2, 3 chains, then I make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet and 4 double crochet. Then we make chain 3 and go to next stitch, sorry, then we make a slip stitch in the next one. We make a 1, 2, 3, then in here we make 1, 2, 3, 4, then make chain 3 and go to the next stitch and slip stitch over there, cut your yarn, that's it. That's how I made this small flower here. Okay, then you can use your yarn needle to weave all the tail in. This is an acrylic. While we are at there, why don't we try making a variation of this flower, or I can make it as a next video.